Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G04, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you should have your screen recorder toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here, screen RE. I just kind of like cuts out. You can see it moves and it says screen recorder. Once you see it, just simply tap on it. It does give you this pop-up window right here letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. So we have device audio set by default. If you don't want to record any audio, you can turn it off in here, and in the drop down you can also change to from device to microphone or both. Now when utilizing the last one, both, I would recommend using headphones, as it might create an echo effect when sound will be played through the device speakers and it's being recorded internally, and then a microphone that's supposed to listen to you is going to pick it up once it goes through speakers as well. So it will record device's audio twice, basically, something that you might not want to have on your recording. And last thing here is the show touches on screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot where your finger was pressing the display. I'll turn that on just so you can see how that looks like on a recording. Next we can just select start. It begins a 3-second countdown and then starts to record. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. I kind of wanted to showcase single application, but it looks like it's not available in here. So I'm just going to open up something like clock. Anyway, once you're done recording, pull down your notifications and click right here to stop. Now I was looking for Netflix, as Netflix is one of those applications that comes most of the time pre-installed with the device that you purchased, and it has ability to black screen recorder, aka basically violate your privacy, considering it is your device and the application without your explicit permission does whatever the heck it wants. And you might encounter this in different applications. Most commonly you'll find this in bank apps, and those try to prevent some kind of spyware from being able to see the application, like what your pins are for the bank app and stuff like that. So you can imagine this is done to kind of protect you from just kind of spyware. But where it doesn't make sense is for applications like Netflix. Those are designed to basically tell you that you're not going to be recording something because we don't want you to, and tough shit if you do. And I just have massive problem as there is no setting that would allow you to turn off this feature. So once an application has this implemented, there's nothing you can do about it. And what you will end up with is just a straight up black screen that you cannot see anything on. Now, going to our actual recording that I have captured, let's open up our photos application or gallery, whatever we have right here. Looks like we have photos. And in here, we should have our screen recording visible somewhere, most likely under screenshots. No, under movies. So you can see we have tabs right here. We have camera, movies, screenshots, downloads, and that's about it. So you can click on the text movies if you want to find some kind of old screen recordings. Obviously this will be an entire list of different videos and screen recordings that I've captured. For me, that just consists of this one. And there we go. Now you can see this dot right here, maybe not on a white background. You can see it right here. So this is where my finger was pressing and like scrolling through the display. You can also see right here. There we go. So anyway, that's about it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.